how do companies create issues with improper definitions of how they look at OpEx? So, and then maybe dive in a little bit deeper with operational flow and dynamics.
Yeah. So in essence, when I'm asked to come in and help somebody from an engagement standpoint, or I've taken over a company or a segment, come in and replace the operations to scale it, what I typically see first and foremost, operational excellence is viewed as just this part of the company that does it, right? For example, only manufacturing and quality do root cause analysis.
Right.
Okay. That's truly not true. But if they're the only ones that follow a Kempner-Trago analysis or Ishikawa diagram or what, well, it's really structured because of the types of deviations and things that they may do will be reviewed. We go through regulatory review, it goes through customer review if you're a service customer, that type of thing. But the business process should follow an RCA when things fail.
Absolutely.
And I'll give you an example there. As a CEO coming in, first question I ask my senior team is, how is a new product or service introduced to this company? What's the process? Who owns it? Who's driving it? How do we communicate? What's the standards of communication? And that question was just to understand, do we understand operational excellence and communication? And I can tell you, every company I've come into, with the exception of one, couldn't answer that question when we started, because they all had their own mindset of how a new product should start and where it should be and how you do it. And until we step back,
so they weren't all on the same page and what their definition.
Until you stop and map it, you don't have any advantage over your competitor.
Right.
Whether it's a therapeutic company that wants to be first to market, if you don't understand how you're going to drive those sections, you're spending more time in your organizational portions of it and less time in your execution.